All right, the icing will bring it back down to Gilmore's end. Sorry, we're glitching on a slow connection, it says. All right, we got Wi-Fi back. Sorry if that looks chunky or pixelated at home, folks. Back at the game. We've got 11 minutes remaining in the second period. Culver leads 1-0. Come on, no shot, no shot. Get that out of there. And Anucci goes out of his paint. Steps out for a sec. Come on. Long time down there. The defense, nope, they don't have time to make the shift. All right, now we got some fresh legs on the ice.